guys, so time check is 1 in the morning. So dito na po tayo sa San Juanico Bridge. So we're crossing into Leyte from Samar. Alright, so medyo inaantok na tayo. Alright, finally nakapagkape tayo sa Dunkin. So continue tayo sa biyahe. It's 3 in the morning and Waze says I'm arriving at Benit by 7 o'clock. Alright, we are in Agas Bridge. Napakataas ng tulay na to, guys. I think this is the highest bridge in the Philippines. Going left by Surigao City and then right is other part of Mindanao. Ito na yung last stretch, so we're heading to the Pacific. Grabe, dami alon dito. Rivermouth, Outer Reef, oh, may island. Alright. So kakaliwa po tayo dito. So we're going towards Compostela Valley. Yung pakanan po ay papuntang Surigao. So doon po tayo dumaan on the way here. Tapos yung pabalik ay dito naman via Aliwagwag Falls. Aliwagwag Falls. Wow. Yahoo! Ganda guys. So we're back on the busy road. So ito po yung highway connecting between Davao City and then all the way to Butuan and Surigao. Tuloy-tuloy na walang ulan hanggang doon sa Borongan. It has been an awesome trip. So I started in Manila and I went to Catanduanes, spent there for almost 2 weeks, and then I went to Sorsogon for a few days, and then I went to Mindanao for 2 weeks, and then now back to Samar, going home to Borongan. So I'm pretty excited to be home to see my family because I haven't seen them in a while. Alright guys, so I'll finish my vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, share my videos.